For complex challenges for verification of beneficiaries in Vietnam for international inheritance cases. Challenges in verifying beneficiaries in Vietnam for international inheritance. Verifying beneficiaries in Vietnam for properties located abroad presents numerous challenges. These include difficulties in locating heirs, gathering and authenticating necessary documentation, gaining cooperation from beneficiaries, and resolving disputes among heirs. Below are the 4 major challenges in the process and insights on how to address them. 1. Locating and verifying heirs. One of the main challenges in international inheritance cases is locating beneficiaries in Vietnam, especially when heirs have lost contact with the deceased or other family members. Information on beneficiaries may be incomplete or outdated, making it difficult to track them down. Heirs living in rural areas may be harder to reach due to limited communication infrastructure. In cases where the beneficiaries are elderly, they may not understand the legal process or distrust foreign legal proceedings, further complicating contact efforts. Inheritance cases are often delayed because legal representatives struggle to find heirs or obtain their cooperation, particularly when local authorities or relatives offer little assistance. Additionally, contact details, such as phone numbers or addresses, may be unavailable, requiring legal professionals to rely on local Vietnamese authorities to locate the heirs. This bureaucratic process is often slow and inefficient, causing further delays. 2. Proving heirship and document authentication. Proving a beneficiary's relationship to the deceased is another major hurdle, requiring documents like birth certificates or family registries. These documents are often missing, outdated, or incomplete due to poor record-keeping in Vietnam. Obtaining these documents can be especially difficult for heirs who have lived abroad for extended periods. The process is further complicated by the need for translation and authentication of documents. Even minor errors in names or dates can lead to rejections, requiring additional verification. In families with a history of migration, essential documents may be lost, and alternative proof like witness statements may be needed, which can create additional legal challenges. 3. Limited cooperation from beneficiaries. Heirs may not always understand their inheritance rights or trust the legal process, particularly when foreign laws are involved. This lack of understanding, especially among elderly beneficiaries, can result in reluctance to cooperate. Communication barriers are common, especially in rural areas where modern infrastructure is lacking, making it hard to reach heirs through reliable phone or internet services. Language differences and legal jargon also complicate communication, leading to delays. Beneficiaries may distrust the process, fearing scams or losing control of their rights, which requires executors to engage local intermediaries, such as trusted family members, to encourage cooperation. 4. Disputes among heirs. Disputes among heirs frequently occur when multiple parties contest each other's claims to the inheritance. Biological children, adopted children, and distant relatives may all make competing claims, leading to legal battles. Challenges arise when documents proving relationships are incomplete or missing, which complicates the legal process. Lack of communication or transparency during the process often sparks suspicion and conflicts among heirs who may feel left out. Some heirs may deliberately delay the process by refusing to cooperate or filing legal challenges, dragging out the verification for months or even years. Conclusion: verifying beneficiaries in Vietnam for international inheritance cases is a complex process involving numerous obstacles. Locating heirs, obtaining and authenticating documents, resolving disputes, and gaining cooperation are all significant challenges. Legal professionals must adopt a proactive approach, working closely with local authorities, gathering and authenticating all required documents, and addressing the concerns of heirs to ensure a smoother and fairer inheritance process.